A tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for tornadoes and that severe thunderstorms are in and close to the watch area, whereas a tornado warning is an urgent announcement that a tornado has been reported and warns you to take immediate action to protect life and property. Stay indoors. Do not exit building or use elevators. You could be trapped in them if power is lost. Stay away from all windows and large glass objects. Go directly to an enclosed, windowless area closest to the ground in the center of the building. Corners or building support columns are best. Avoid being underneath heavier objects such as lights, wall hangings, and other items which may fall. Crouch down and cover your head. Interior stairwells are usually good places to take shelter, and if not crowded, they allow you to get to a lower level quickly. Remain inside until tornado has passed or you are cleared to leave.